Oh. It's way back. We're gonna be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2, Night 5, because I cannot beat it. Let's go. Here we are. Papa is very feisty. She wants her music.
I think the name of the place was Red Bear's Family Diner.
Nah, I heard him. Excuse me? Wait, so someone was in the vent? Oh my gosh. What? Oh. Oh my gosh, he died right here. Alright. We're supposed to follow Puppet and then go this way. Hi, Puppet. I know you had to go somewhere because I watched the video and there was like a lot of minigame secrets. I guess she was just waiting there.
Hi.
I think I'm supposed to be there. Wait, I know my way. Okay, this is a party room. Go right here. I found it. I think that's supposed to be us. What the heck? Because ta-da! I don't know why I said ta-da. So I learned this tactic where if you just hold for a little bit 5 times and then you go on cameras, wind up a little bit, and then do the same thing, he should go away. The music stopped. He's not there anymore. My flashlight! No, do a replay, bro. Look at my flashlight. Oh my gosh. What kind of batteries are we living on? Again? Foxy. Oh, shoot. He brought Bonnie. And it's only one. I thought Mango was in the vent. I think. See, other jaws are happy. Mango just wants to take a big fat bite. Please, Chica, spare me. Gosh, I'm gonna kill her. Oh, what is she looking at? Yeah. I beat night 1, night 2, night 3, night 4. I can't even beat night 5. Again? You bring Bonnie into this? I'm not even gonna do my tactic. I feel like this just wastes time, I guess. You already wasted a battery. Thanks a lot, Foxy. Who's close? Oh, Bonnie was there. What the? What? Consequences. Please. Thank you. that Foxy. Holy freaking. Oh my gosh. If he attacks me, I will execution. What the? Freddy. I'm Freddy. It's barely 1 a.m. I thought it was like 3 or something. What are we doing? Oh, Mango's there. Puppet! Chica, please! I need a white puppet!
I ate 5 homeless people because I thought they were watermelons.
What if we get attacked on puppet on purpose? I never died to puppet. So we are not gonna whine puppet. Oops. We're not gonna whine puppet. And see what's we're gonna see what happens. There's your little music. You go, Charlie. What the? Go away, Foxy. We're sticking to the game. I wanna try to die to Freddy. I never died to Freddy. We're gonna, at this point, since I'm so bad, we're just gonna get jump scared by every single animatronic there is. But the wizards are gonna catch up before the toy animatronics. So what if the others give us mini games? So we're gonna die to Foxy. Foxy's there. I'm. There he is. Give me a mini game, please. I'm desperate. We died to Freddy. Wait, no, wait. We have to die to Freddy now. So we died to Chica. We died to Bonnie. We died to Foxy. We died to Puppet. Mango comes out. Wait, no. Oh my gosh. I'm dumb. Why? I'm pretty sure Foxy's still there. Why? Okay. Bro, why would you do this? Wait, no. Thank you, Freddy. We're supposed to... We died Foxy. We're not ending this until we die to all the wizards. So we just need Freddy. Hi, Balloon Boy.
Hi.
Please, hi back. It's gone too, bro. What are you doing, you fat child? Wait, we can die to Toy Freddy. You know what? I don't even care at this point. I'm on Toy Freddy. is it just Foxy? Foxy, give Toy Freddy a chance, bro. Please. Thank you, Bob.
Hello?
Oh my gosh. Why Bonnie looks so little? We could die to Toy Bonnie. We died to Toy Bonnie. Yeah, he's in the vents. Okay. But which one do we die to? Toy Bonnie or Freddy? Let's see which one comes first. How is Mango there? Oh. That's Toy Bonnie. Was that Withered Bonnie I saw? Nah. I just saw Withered Bonnie. Yeah. 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 I love seeing a fat chug in the hallway and a skinny bean in a box. Oh! He heard me.
Hello?
We'll die to Toy Freddy and see what happens, okay? And then we'll die to... We're gonna die to Wheeler Freddy. And once and for all. It's just you. Freddy, just go. Oh my gosh. And there's the toys. They're just doing stuff. Puppet. Puppet. Meow, 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 meow. I'm sorry, I got to Toy Bonnie. I meant Withered Bonnie. We just need a third Freddy. We'll be good. Just need Withered Freddy. There you go. I've got you up on camera, so make me go away. Where are you? Here comes the sun. Oh my gosh. Ooh, oh, I see your toes. And I was about to say your face. I think that's disrespectful to him. If I see him in the vent, I will not be surprised. He's waddling like a duck. I did not even... Why? Freaky. We have to Toy Bonnie again. All I want is Withered Freddy. Go, 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 Foxy. Okay, I guess. Here we go. Look, it's the children. Yay. Fireworks. We're gonna die. Look, we're running to the children. I'm surprised they're not scared. Yay, we did it. There's fireworks inside the building. Look, I know there's children, but you can't be going up to them and saying, "Hi, kids." Okay? Hi, Grandpa. Look, it's William. That's William. It's not enough. Okay, it wasn't. We have to actually conserve some power in our battery. Oh my! Why? I'm genuinely. I'm not gonna even whine, puppet. I don't care. Kill me, Bonnie. That's it. Oh my gosh! No way! What? I'm just kidding. What? Almost even done. What? What? Look at that, you little bear. You little goofy bear. Bro, I just saw Foxy and then I see this little bean. Holy fat, is that Foxy behind you?
Hi.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I just used battery. I'm sorry. Alright. Anyway, I read that. I'm playing a minigame because I died to Fox. Anyway. What? I know it didn't take that long. I didn't take that long. Please, Withered Freddy. If I don't get Withered Freddy, at least give me a mini game. So I could just end my night shift. Let's try to die to Mango. Freddy was right there. Not even a single minigame. Oh my gosh! Foxy. Oh my gosh! Where's Foxy? There's literally no one in the parts and service room. Where? What? Okay, she's there. Toy bodies in the bed. I will put the mask on. I thought this Chica was still there. Bro. Alright. That concludes this video for today.